fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh,
Just did a quick alignment on the Z. It's kind of frustrating not having the right tools. I don't have a 21 mil wrench on hand, so it was pulling really bad to the right, which it is now pulling even worse. Yep, it's binding. That's really bad. Okay. It's like falling over itself. That's really bad. All right, well, I'll work on this again. Nice.
Yeah, you should not be able to see the face of the wheel right now. This one is really bad. There you now can see the back face of the back wheel. Oh my god. Oh my god.
So last night I was an idiot and had this towed out like almost an inch and a half. I think it was like an inch and a quarter. So now I'm going back and fixing these because they were really towed in and the car was not wanting to recenter, would bind at lock, not even at full lock. So yeah, now I'm trying to fix it. But I'm gonna just tow this on in. I just did one already, but you can see this one was pretty bad, so the driver front. So I'm gonna redo that. Actually misplaced a tripod, so I'm gonna be holding it. But yeah, to tow in on the Z, since it's in the back, you want to tighten it to shorten the tie rod. So I'm just gonna sit here and tighten this. Okay, and I'm gonna check real quick, because that might be too towed out.
definitely better. To me it still looks like it's a couple degrees out, so I'm gonna keep fixing that and I'll come back.
Okay, hopefully I fixed it. Took a lot more finagling than I think. I was going based off of the fender arch, which is probably not a good idea considering it's wider than the rest of the body of the car. So I've now kind of got it in a place I think it works. If not, then maybe I have to take it somewhere, but I don't like to do that, so figure it out. It's already warmed up, I've got it off everything, so I'm just gonna roll it off the wood and then see how it works. It's aligned. It took 2 hours. Don't do your own alignment. Go to a shop that specializes in alignments, please.